this quick tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the citation tools as part of Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge includes a feature that can create a citation, the proper citations for websites or resources that you find on the web. So for example, we have this article here, or blog post, and we go here under Edge in the settings, then we go under More Tools, and then click on Cite This. Click this type of citation, whether it's APA style or MLA, and then we pick the source. In this case, it's a website, and then we have to identify the name of the author for this article. In this case, let's say it's this. You can add additional authors. You can add additional authors if necessary. Then the date when it was published, or whether it was today, and then the website, and you can add an additional annotation if necessary as well. Now at this point, the citation, the full citation, would be displayed here on the top, and we can simply copy it and paste it as part of our paper. So this is what you put in text citation, and this will be the full citation at the end of your paper as part of the works cited or bibliography. If we want to change it to APA version 7, click on it. You'd cite it this way in text as part of your paper, and then at the end of it, you'd cite it this way. So I hope you found this helpful.